How to feed the bird feeders. First, get a bird feeder like this. But make sure your grandma got it for you. Start by taking your bird feeder and taking it off from wherever it's hanging. Mine's hanging from a tree. I will have to take it off like this. Put your bird feeder on the floor and get your bird seeds. Open up the package of bird seeds like this. Now that it's open, take your lid off of the bird feeder and then pour your bird seed into the bird feeder like this. But don't spill it like I did. It is fine. The birds will pick it up. But don't eat one like I did. And continue pouring like this. Whoops, I spilled some more, a lot more. I will have to pick some up. Almost done. The birds can eat the rest. I will just scatter it around the pavement. Now that you've filled your feeder, close the lid like this. All closed. Some are falling out. And then once it's all filled up, put it back on the tree like this. And put it on. I can't reach it. I will have to get something to stand on.